Alrighty, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Marty Erico here over at the Energy Pits here in New York. Alright, we're talking about our commentary here. Major market movers and players today, this morning, that we did see in the Energy Pits. Today we did see actually a lot of paper and dealers selling here across the board. Again, as we have large locals and we have market makers taking the other end of the trades. Again, this morning we did see big dealer sell side activity from DP, DB, from SCS and Goldman coming in selling it quite hard here throughout the day, both in RBOB and in heating oil, as we did have large locals and market makers take the other end of the trade. Again, around that 10:30 to 11 o'clock hour, as we did see crude drop quite significantly and then kind of rebound just a bit, bouncing off a major level support at the 87.5 level. Again, that was a pit session low from Thursday, a settlement number from Wednesday, so again, critical level that we were watching. Alrighty, so as we talked about physical delivery, we are in the first week of December, and we do have our jet fuel and heating oil buying coming on in here, talking jet fuel and diesel fuel heating oil. Again, documents from CME do tell us from December 3rd, 2012 here, we did see our heating oil actually be bought up just a bit here, about 1,563 contracts issued out and taken for delivery. Again, we're talking physical delivery numbers here for our heating oil here. Looks like BP Corp come in and bought 801 lots, and again, keep in mind these are 1,000 barrel contracts, so that's basically what we saw in our heating oil. We did see New Edge Securities come on in, and RBS Securities come in and take physical delivery of heating oil. Again, no big major players really came in and bought it and kept it. But again, these are issues for physical delivery, so these are the permanent money that's in the market for heating oil. Again, as we look at our crude here, we had New Edge and Bank of New York Mellon, JP Morgan, and ADM come in and buy a significant amount of crude oil here on December 3rd. Again, possibly for some customers, about 14,720 here, as you can see, contracts taken, and those are 1,000 barrel contracts for our January crude price. And then really across the board, what else we saw in RBOB? Again, DEES did expire, so these are kind of numbers for first notice. But again, we did see a little bit of buying come in. Not the major players yet to speak of, but eventually we will see them come on in this week and do a little permanent buying, and these are physical delivery numbers, so they do take them and the money stays permanently into the market. Again, so major players and movers, we did see DB in there quite heavily, SCS and Goldman all coming into sell side activity. Larger locals take the other end of the trade. They have been and continue to be taking it long here as they hedge out in outer months. So again, that is major market movers and players here for you on December 5th here. That's December 5th, 2012. Come in, join us tomorrow morning, 8:50 in the morning. We're going to start our broadcast, and we're going to have it all for you in real time. Check the blog for updates, and also we're going to be coming for you live from the NYMEX at 8:50 tomorrow, as we did just mention. And take a quick look under our daily commentary videos on member section, and also on our outright website, crudesquawk.com.